living in a healthy and safe environment without using chemicals. Everyone wants that. But how many succeed? Yes, because you can't just clean. You need to sanitize. And to do this, specific tools are needed. From Italy, they are supplied by TPA. It designs and manufactures advanced steam and vacuum cleaners designed to sanitize any type of space. With 30 years experience in the industrial sector, TPA sells its products in more than 60 countries. And here's the kicker. TPA has now decided to produce an entire line designed for domestic use. But why do we use steam? It's simple. It's the oldest and most natural way to sanitize. While ordinary cleaning stops at the surface, steam penetrates deep down, eliminating dirt, germs, and bacteria that are invisible to the naked eye. What's more, with patented TPA technologies, you actually clean your home, and you don't need detergents. Your wallet thanks you very much. Okay, but how do your products work? Through the combined action of steam and vacuum suction, you sanitize. Suck in dirt and physically remove it. And you don't release it into the air thanks to the water filter. And there's more. Through the UVC rays of our machines, you bombard the suctioned water, reduce the bacterial load, and deactivate viruses. So yes, finally, your family will have the peace of mind of living in a safer, healthier, and cleaner environment. TPA offers a range of products designed for every type of use. Contact us now for more information. TPA vaporizes dirt, sanitizes your house.